Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are ready: power, lens, and firmware. Plug in a stable 12V source or fully charged battery because insufficient power degrades IR output and frame rate. Once powered, remove lens caps and gently clean the glass. Dust spoils contrast and can create flares. Make sure the camera is set to night mode and confirm firmware is current. This prevents unexpected exposure behavior. After that, position the camera roughly where you want the field of view to start. Now you configure settings to pull usable images from low light. Start with a conservative exposure and low gain, then raise gain incrementally. This minimizes grain while improving brightness. Next, enable or tune the IR illuminator. Match intensity to distance because excess IR washes out close subjects. Choose resolution and frame rate that suit your purpose. For most uses, 1080p at 30 fps balances detail and sensitivity. Once you lock these, pan and tilt slowly while watching live view to confirm composition and focus. Finish by setting how you'll capture: continuous record, scheduled windows, or motion-triggered clips, and make sure timestamps are accurate for later review. Confirm storage space and enable dual backups if available so you don't lose footage during long sessions. If you encounter poor images, troubleshoot. Reduce electronic gain, lengthen exposure slightly, or add IR illumination at the right angle. You can also reposition the camera to avoid backlighting. Finally, test a short recording and review it to ensure everything performs as expected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.